Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So, the information that we all were waiting for, the update that we all were waiting for is now live. Yes, you can download your scorecards from the official site of the CSIR UGC NET Lifesciences. Now, you can go to the official site, write down CSIR NTA, you'll reach to the home page and just click on the download option after filling in all of your information related to your application number, your date of birth and all the information as asked by the home page. And as in when you click on that download now, and you'll be able to download your scorecards and get to know your performance in the examination of the CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences. So all the best everyone. Do not have the fear. Whatever happens will happen for good. Just check your results. Let me know in the comment section what your results were, and I wish you all the very best for your results. Thank you for watching this video. Quickly go to the official site and download your admit cards right away. Good luck.